Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in our giveaways each month where we pick one of our lucky subscribers to get a huge box of makeup, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be entered. So the palette that I went in with today is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. And yeah, I know that these palettes were a little bit controversial, but I didn't have any problems with my palette, so that's why you see me using it here. And like I said in a previous video, I want to start using more palettes that are a little bit older so that I don't make you guys feel like you have to buy every single palette that launches, just because I personally love when other YouTubers do that. So I kind of wanted to start doing that on our channel as well. For primer, I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which I always do. And then I went into the shade Rush, which is like a really neutral light brown matte eyeshadow. And I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. And then I went in with the shade Mugshot, which is a little bit deeper than the shade Rush, and I grabbed it with a defined angled brush and I started to map out where I want to add depth in my crease. So I put it typically a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket versus my crease, if that makes sense, because I like for the crease colors to show when my eye is open or closed. And then I went in with the shade Rush once again with a fluffier brush just to blend everything out. And then next I went in with the shade Secret and I picked up a defined angled brush once again and I put that directly over top of the shade Mugshot. And that's why I really like using a defined angled brush, because it just makes everything so precise that when you go in to add depth, once you start layering the shadows, you know exactly where you need to go to make the crease even darker. And then I always go back into that first transition shade to make sure that everything is nice and blended and that there is no harsh lines. And then I went back into my Too Faced concealer and I just cleaned up all over the lid. And because it's such a neutral look, I just really wanted to make the lid pop even more. So I'm just cleaning it up with concealer, and then I always set it in place with some translucent powder so that the concealer doesn't crease up in my crease. For glitter, I went in with my Shop by Lip Boss Venus glitter, and I took my NYX glitter glue first and I put the glitter glue on my eyelid, and then I went in with the glitter right afterwards. And I always leave the lash line. As you guys can see, the glitter doesn't go all the way down, and that's for a specific reason, because I went in with my Dose of Colors Set the Tone Cream Matte Eye Color, and I went in with the shade Extra Baggage. And I feel like when you're working with glitters, and when you want to add a wing, it's really hard to create that perfect smooth line over the gritty texture of a glitter. So that's why I left a little space. For lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. I will always leave a link in the description box down below. And some of you guys keep asking if I apply mascara first, and I always do, but my lashes are so short that even when I apply the mascara, you can't really tell the difference. So that's why I don't really include that portion in the video. And then I went in with the shade Rush and I just started to warm up the lower lash line. And then I went into the shade Mugshot as well, and I just layered that right on top. And I'm pretty much repeating all of the same steps that we did in our crease on my lower lashes, minus the glitter. So I'm going in with the shade Mugshot. And then I went in with the shade Secret. And I just focused that shade really, really close to my lash line. And then I went back into that first shade Rush just to blend everything out. And I really, really love how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!